If you have asked me for help, and I say, I will see what I can do. I have seen it too. There is nothing I can do.
Hello, Daddy. I want to buy handouts.
Okay, how much is it?
You know it's 700, so just tell him 1,000. It's 20k.
Jesus!
And that one is just for the registration.
Come here, my body they shake. Come here, my body they shake. Come my body they shake. Blood of Jesus, blood of Jesus, blood.
My son, do you know that if you keep laughing like this, I will not slap you again?
That guy is there. Give him slap and I'll drive off.
Okay.
God have mercy upon us. Jesus.
Shady, why do you stop now? I thought you said you would drive off.
Get body for stop now.
Hey guys, today we have our special guest and more to come because it's our Trend of the Week party. So today we'll be having trends from the year 2015 to the present day. So let us meet our guest.
Alright guys, I'm here with Mr. KPK.
Okay, money. So, Mr. KPK, how did you make so much money? Why please get a blow me now?
Is that not commit violence?
Everywhere steal.
Sorry, who?
Is your boy in everywhere steal? Way back 2018, whiskey and jollof.
Ozo. That pepper soup water na go enter on her. Mr. Sakpa.
When they go start now?
We're waiting for Idong.
Who be this Idong? Bro, Idong is supreme. Opportunity no dey come but once for Idong. Now Idong dey come but once for opportunity.
Oh my God!
If you don't the crossroad, now drivers they look left and right.
You don't know they go class. Na class they come meet you don't.
If you don't look mirror, now a reflection they run.
Serious!
Because there can only be one Idon.
I'm a war. I'm a fight.
Now. That. If you don't cook beans, you don't know the way to make it done. Stop.
You don't go big beans, still will take it down. Pride.
Better days no day any ahead though. The day you don't have the weight.
Yes, just give me some time. I'm not ahead at all. I did don't get like this.
Then I say daily bread and open doors. They wait for her. You don't know me. You know me, oh.
I say we plenty for here.
Bread, oh. Yeah! If you dey open pay, make your mother make her see.
Now Popo they wear, sorry. Too much Gary, please. Anybody, I drop onions. Anybody?
You think it's a joke?
Oh yeah. Catch me.
Vivid, imagine.
Then where is the real Idon? I know say Idon no go come. Because no be audience they watch Idon. Now Idon they watch audience.
Well, not so funny but creative. At least he gave you better repent. Oh, he don't know the way to make una comment for a video. He don't already they comment.
Okay, come back from this car. If you not say that around, come out because war will happen here. War. You pour me water. Look at. You pour me water. But what he said, no worry. Enter inside. I leave the case for God. No worry. Hey!
That is soon. I don't do smoke. Have you smoked before? Oh, Kakoloso. Uncolos. Echibole Mpam live. Echibole control. Uncolos. Mpam kamshi bugana ngata. Ishi itigala na kechukuno.
Hey!
Bros. You never hear? So you never hear say chief wife born twins. If na I talk to you now, we don't chop first set of chicken. Pami dey there, groundnut and biscuit. Chief don talk say he go give us one cow.
Funny bros, you know the rest. You know the rest. Funny bros, you know the rest. Funny bros, you know the rest. Funny bros, you know the rest.
God have mercy. Hey! What be this? Jesus is us. My head they go inside this place. Inside they give me linear cup. See.
Go. No. Go 1.5. Go sign 2.5. This man is a Caliboy. I'll confess, my people. I've been every tipo. Since the past 6 years, tipo has been ruling us. I want to rule. So I had to poison the pami. It's only the pami that I poisoned though. I didn't poison the chicken or the biscuit and the granite. It's only the pami that I poisoned. You push to forgive me. Hey!
Arrow.
The hearts of men are evil.
Too evil.
Hey!
And you don't drink them. 3 cups.
What is it?
See you. You and Pami.
Hey!
Utu.
Melody in my heart.
Hello, brother.
Please don't kill me. Don't kill me.
Remy.
Please forgive me.
Talk to you, Shana prank.
What is it, Charlie boy?
You know, now we start this thing, no?
Charlie boy. Hey!
Chijoke.
Go.
God have mercy.
Yes, thank you.
My Lord Jesus, don't do me better. My Lord Jesus, don't do me better. I am a winner.
It is very shameful for you to accept that.
I am a winner. I am a winner. I am a winner.
On this day, he don't boarded a bike, and this is what happened. Go be now. What's in with that? Why I go say to you? What's up? You don't know the pay now.
Why?
I say you don't know the pay now.
You don't pay me, you don't give me money before.
You carry, you don't want to collect money from me. They're waiting this up.
Why I don't collect money for you?
I say you don't enter bike, you don't know the pay. Waiting up.
Okay, give me my 100 naira.
I say you don't know the pay. If you don't enter bike, you don't know the pay. Now even you go pay me money. Waiting up.
Me go
I
pay.
disturb you.
No be you call me.
Now me call you and I say see where they go. I don't stop for where they go. Now they enter inside. Waiting comes up.
Give me money now.
I say you don't know the pay.
Hey!
Make I play organic way for you.
Guy, I don't understand this way they talk for you. I don't understand.
What you don't understand? You carry you don't know the pay. What you they talk?
I don't understand.
You they off bike for me.
I know they work for free now.
You they off bike say wetin happen.
Give me my money now.
You carry you don't know the pay. You know they hear them.
I know the yara.
If you don't enter bike, now bike man go pay you. Don't be even me go pay you.
Now you go pay me.
Why I go pay you?
Why you go enter my bike? You tell me say na me go pay you.
Make I play the mode black for you. Eh?
See problem.
You want dance Oganigwe? Sure you want dance Oganigwe? I say you don't know they pay. They follow me. They argue. You don't enter bike. You won't stop and collect for waiting. Don't disturb me, I beg. I no touch you, no touch me, I beg. I beg.
This man cannot do anything without finishing his incantation. So before he finished the incantation, you light his neck. There's nothing to be. You get what I'm saying? It is as simple as that. He cannot do anything. He has to finish a particular incantation, madam. Look at he has to finish the incantation. He's armless. Trust me. 12 to 3, you have closed. Oh my God.
King Pharaoh.
You don't know why it's going on.
I see. Yeah.
Continue.
I'm a little bit and I see King Pharaoh. I see King.
The blood of Jesus.
Mary, are you okay?
I'm okay.
Have you eat?
I've eat.
So what did they do you?
Brother Joseph.
Brother Joseph, why so much respect? Hope you have not spoiled my share.
I'm pregnant.
Now what?
Jesus.
You are pregnant? How the fuck are you pregnant? Are you not supposed to be a virgin?
I still am a virgin.
You're dead virgin. Kolos?
What?
Are you on Kolos?
It is small people.
Because if you are not on Kolos, how you say virgin? You are carrying baby. Who impregnates you?
God.
Are you playing?
She didn't want me. Go ahead and come down to chicken to the house. Who impregnates you? Tell me, I won't beat you. I won't beat you. Who impregnate you?
I swear, it's him.
Now, so you find rich.
I don't even know when it happened.
You don't know I am. Anyhow, God don't collect my baby. I don't accept.
Josie.
Who be Josie? Me will not turn side chick.
What happened to Benji? Oh my God.
Why my babe? God, why my babe? General, over. Who be this one?
Joseph.
Yeah?
The child is of God.
Okay. So now I give my baby.
Una, I beg only God though.
Now only God. So no be something some.
No.
I feel better. You be mumu. I have a baby allowance.
Baby allowance?
Yeah, to take care of the child.
It is an honor to be called father of God's son.
It's an honor to be called father of God's son. What you talk now? It makes sense.
You know, manager.
So no baby allowance.
No baby allowance.
Yeah, no. Pa. Mary!
What?
You go see now.
When I just said good afternoon.
Good afternoon. We are aborting the baby.
You're aborting God's baby?
You get waiting girl's baby, go chop. Aborting your take the drug. Aborting your. You will see your dad is going. Aborting your take. Your dad is going.
Jojo.
Wait, give me a minute. Yeah.
Oh, you're sending your account number.
Okay. Now you're talking. 01-2265-76 Access Bank. Yeah. Don't. I would like a child. Very playful. We go to jump everywhere. They fight lion. All this thing. What if it is? 10 million. Not twins.
No, just one.
Only one.
This country, everything is just bad. Look at the roads, complete nonsense.
God have mercy upon us.
My sister, this country, everything I've done, they go from bad to baddest. Even the roads sef don dey go from spoil to spoilers. Even the government sef to help us, they no even send us. What a kind of country.
Oga, spoil to spoilers. What kind of English are you speaking? What is even wrong with the educational system of this country?
Jesus.
The educational system of this country is now in a shaky, shabby, and rumpy ramshackles. When they tell you people go to school, you say no. You use the adage school na scam, school na scam. Now look at the rubbish you are verbosing and speaking from your medulla oblongata. How can you speak something like that?
God, now why?
Don't you know that you cannot use a noun, gerund, and adjectival clause when the preposition and the conjunction is intersecting with the intersection?
Okay, no problem.
Just take a look at the rubbish English you're speaking.
Driver, wait, I be mask. Conductor, collect 100 naira.
Hello, sir. Why are you giving him 100 naira? You're supposed to give him 200 now. You said you will pay for me.
Make your grandma pay for you now. You say, man, I no go school, now me go come pay for you.
Jesus.